Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're out here at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now we got a special treat, 2-in-1 video. We are actually going to look at both models that Great American has, or as Venture RV has just come out with these Sienna Light, and it is a single axle camper. And we're going to take a look at both models that they have here. But today we're going to look at this one first. This is a 2026 Venture Sienna Light, model number 130VRD. So let's get started. The length on this Sienna Light is 16 foot 9 inches. The dry weight is 2,660 pounds with a hitch weight of 260. GVWR of 3,500 pounds. And before I go much further, the awning length on this one is 9 foot. So let's walk around, just a quick walk around on the outside, and then we will go inside and take a look at this one. Manual jack, there's your propane, your quick connect back here, or disconnect, and your batteries will go there. This does have manual stabilizers, cables, city water, fresh water, and speaking of fresh water, this one has a 20-gallon tank. Tankless water heater, right up against the fence. We do have the sewer outlet right back here with your tank pulls. See if I can get a look here on this side. There's your spare tire. Wow, Venture has done a really great job on these. So come out here and check these out at Great American, I'm telling you. Let's see, I believe the pass-through is going to be, yes, it is locked. So let's go inside and check this one out. One step, and then coming in, you see you have a east to west bed. Let me spin around so you can take a look at the other side here. There's your dinette, and we'll check out the bathroom here in just a minute. Now the bed size is a 54 by 80. Set my book down. Let's look at some of the storage up here all the way across the top. You've got power on each side. Well, I'll tell you what, let's lift the bed. Yeah, there we go. And there is your pass-through storage. Well, it's just storage on the outside. No pass-through. Okay. Over here in the corner. It's kind of awkward here, but I guess you could put your TV there with a swivel arm, because there's your cable and power. And while we're here, we'll take a look. Your Bluetooth radio, you've got power, USB, cabinet up top, little microwave, 2-burner cooktop. Hey, look, we've got a little storage there under the burners. I got a nice little sink and a little more storage right there. There is your fuses and your little fridge. Now your table will make into a bed, maybe sleep some children. Looks like you've got a little pantry spot right here. And a little cubby spot there. And a little cabinets up here on the top. Okay. And backing on up, here is your direct dump AC unit. Is a Coleman Mach. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so here's your sink. We got a little storage under there. A mirrored medicine cabinet right there. Kind of a corner shower. They call this a 27 by 27 shower. Little plastic toilet. Well, let me see. If I stand up in it, well, I've got enough room, but it is what it is. Here's your tank monitors and your Suburban on-demand water heater controls. All right. One final look. Here is your awning and your lights. All right, everybody, let's head over to the next one and we'll take a look at it. Everybody, now we're going to take a look at this next floor plan by the Venture RV Sienna Group. And this is a 2026 This is a 2026 Venture Sienna Light, model number 140VRD. So let's get started. The length on this Sienna Light is 17 feet 6 inches. The dry weight is 2,750 pounds with a hitch weight of 300. Now with a GVWR of 3,500 pounds. And around here where the awning is, it is 8 foot. 8 foot awning. Awesome. Armless Girard awnings, that's really sharp. Now as we walk around the outside, you can see basically the same setup on the other one. Manual stabilizers. This door is locked. There's going to be some outside storage. Tankless water heater. Now your sewer outlets are right over here with your low point drains. City water connection right back here with your fresh water. Prep for backup camera. You do have a spare. And this one is locked. Hope we can maybe see it on the inside. Really nice looking units. Come out to Great American, any dealership, and check these out. Let's go inside and take a look. One step. All right, you've got little dinette up here, which will fold down and make a sleeper. Got a little shelf back here with power, USB, and power right there where your table is. AC unit back up here. And you have a 12-volt compressor, fridge, and freezer. And up here, I miss it. You've got power and USB and C up here. Now let's see, you do have storage under each seat. So there's that storage. And if I can get this up, there is that storage. Don't want to leave that out. Now if I'm spinning back around, you got your awning and your light switches. TV can go right here where your cable and power are. And there's your sink area. Let's take a look up here first. Got a little microwave. There's some storage. As we're backing up, there's your microwave. You've got, well, look, more power and USB right there. Your tape monitors. And under the sink, you do have a little storage. There's your furnace. There's your breakers. A little more storage under this part of the sink. And one more over here. 2-burner cooktop. Your bed. It is a 54 by 80 bed back here. Storage up above the top, all the way across. Windows each end. You do have power on each side. And under this bed, kind of tough to do one-handed. There we go. And there's that storage from the outside. Okay. All right, let's back up. Let's take a look at the bathroom. And your shower size, I did write that down. 24 by 36 shower. Toilet, and you've got some storage, like a little linen cabinet right back here. Your controls are back here. Let me step in. Let's see what we got. Well, it is, it's really good. My head is in this little skylight with a fan. But other than that, that's really good. All right, everybody. If you like these little Siennas, come and check out a dealership, Great American dealership close to you. These are really, really short. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. And check out for 15% off on Liquefied down in our description. Thanks, everybody.